I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't feel it all. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out. Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. It's something you get used to, yeah. Go blame the June blues, yeah. It's just the June blues, yeah. Walk around like who you, yeah. Just something you get used to. Breaking news got me breaking. I was present, hopeless, praying. Struck down at 20, plenty left to put behind you. You ain't peak, never speaking, now they speaking about you, leave it alone. Hope you grinning while you watch your bro.
Basket!
On some sofa sunny shit to brighten up a wounded soul. Honest, you dependent. Break it down like Chevy. New age Machiavelli. Disagreed on Timmy. Now you with Infinity, we 98. Trust that he be good. On the ball like BB, don't make no mistakes. Got the faith. The 18 just not gonna be the same. Finna bleed down generations, not gonna be in vain. Too young. Why you gotta go? I just wanna know now. Too long. Crying getting old. Hope you free your soul. I might have caught the June blues.
Thank you.
Basket!
Thank you, kids. Tinikman. Good afternoon, guys. Today is October 4, Wednesday. 4:38 na. Gagawa ko ng chicken cordon bleu, and gusto ni Jan ng dessert. So, gagawa rin ako ng dessert. And si Sak wala dito. Ha? Yeah. Then, si Sak wala pala dito. Dinapot ko siya kanina. Enjoy.
Sa bay. Kasi diba school holiday ngayon. So, nandun yung kanyang mga mate. Nag-ride sila ng bike. Ganyan ko lang yung aking mga gagamitin for my baking. And meron din ako, pumunta ko dun sa work ni Jan. Nasa TikTok ko, guys. Hindi kasi wala akong plano mag-vlog kanina. Ngayon ko lang naisipan na sabi ko, sige, mag-vlog na lang ako. Kahit hapon na. Cocoa powder. Yung cocoa powder ko nasa box pa. Wala na sa lalagyan kasi may laman ng iba yung ating box. Ano pa ba? Baking powder. Ay, may ito pa pala. Wala na. So, yan. So, update ko. Kasi kunti na lang yung aking memory space dito. Kasi puno na rin to. Kasi nandito pa ata yung aking caravan vlog. So, hindi ko pa siya na-transfer. And meron din ako tina-transfer. Matagal-tagal pa siya. So, puno lahat ng SD card ko. So, titipirin natin to. Update ko kayo, mga. Si Kuya nandito, naglalaro siya ng PS. Si Holly kausap si Veronica sa phone. Kailangan ko pumunta ng bay kasi naubusan ako ng No, I only have milk chocolate. Yung pang baking na chocolate, wala ako. So, I need to go there. The chocolate cake for dessert for daddy. So, alis tayo guys. Punta tayo ng Bay para bumili ng chocolate. Para matuloy yung dessert ni Johnny Boy. Si Sak nandun pa yun. Pero si Jan ang mag-pick up sa kanya. Bibili lang tayo ng chocolate. Ang ganda ng weather today. Ilang ano ba degrees? Hindi ko makita guys. Pero ang ganda ng weather. Hindi ganun kalamig. Oops. Hindi ganun kalamig. And hindi rin ganun ka-init. Okay, dito na tayo sa Bay guys. Shop dito. Ayan, meron silang milk chocolate this time. Ito yung dalawa. Or isa lang. And kuha tayo ng milk chocolate. Ah, wala rin sila. Wala na silang milk chocolate. Kuha pa tayong isa para hindi tayo kulang mamaya. Bye. Good, thank you. Yes. Bye na ako guys. And meron akong ibang nabili. Etong red bell pepper tsaka tomato paste. So, nagbago yung isip ko. Ang gagawin ko na ay afritada instead of cordon bleu. So, ayan. Marami akong nabiling chocolate. Ito sa akin to. Ayan yung nabili nating chocolate. So, magluto muna tayo. Ako pala. Akit tayo dito. Kasi nandito yung aking mga pang-baking.
She's baking a cake. A delicious, delicious cake.
Can you drop me that? Where is that one? That one. That so please. The plastic bubble. Can I have it?
These ones?
Yes.
Okay. What do you need one of these for?
Thank you. Nandito yung aking mga pang-baking. Tulad nito, I need this one. Maybe I'm just gonna get one. Kasi wala na tayong cabinet. So,
That was your baking stuff.
ito yung round ng baking paper.
Wow. Oh. For the pan.
Yeah.
For this pan.
Ito lang ba ito?
Do you want to put it in?
Parang dalawa siya. Hindi natin sayangin.
I think that's
Parang
just
makapal.
one.
Is it? Yeah, I think so. Just put it that way because I'm gonna wipe down the baba.
So that's baking stuff. What else?
Yeah. And meron ako dito. Walang nasa, pero meron akong spare na dalawa. Kasi, I love baking.
I love baking.
Yes. And, you know, ang kailangan ko ngayon is,
Mommy, smell it.
I am sorry. For later. Yeah.
It has stuff in it. This is the stuff that I don't know what it is, but it feels like
Umiikot yung upuan ko, Baba. Hold that chair, please. Keep moving. Let's keep moving. Alright, thank you. Uy! Uy! Let it go. Alright, alright. Hello?
scale.
Scale, we need scale.
As well.
Yeah. Okay, I need...
See? Oh, there you go.
Share natin ito.
That's sugar. White sugar. You definitely need sugar for the cake.
Definitely.
Look at that, so we're having a taste.
Oh no, what's this? Baba, I see a spider. Can you get me tissue there, please?
Sure.
Hurry up, Papa! Ito pala yung aking isa sa mga recipe books na may handwritten ko. Sabi ni Holly, nandito siya kanina. Sabi niya, Ma'am, you have to give me that so I can learn how to bake and cook. Sabi ko, yes, this is yours and Kuya. Sinanap ko yung aking gagawin for tonight. Ayan. Hanap ko na. Kailangan ko ng malaking bowl. Meron ko dyan na KitchenAid na bigay sa akin ni tita. Hindi ko pa nagagamit kasi wala pa talaga ko. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay. Dito kasi walang saksakan. So ngayon, ang gagamitin ko ay hand mixer. Gusto ko na nga yung gamitin. Hopefully soon, magamit ko yun. Hopefully soon, magamit ko ng aking KitchenAid. Ang cute pa naman ang kulay mo. Gagamitin ko yun soon. Pero ngayon, hand mixer muna ako. Wala pa si Nancy dyan, tsaka si Kuya. Nandun sa labas. I-vlog muna natin din sila. Kung anong ganap ng aking mag-ama. Nandito silang dalawa. Si Sak wala pa. Nandun pa siya sa bay. Si Jan nandun sa car niya. Oh! Well done, Kuya. Sorry, not really. Go, Papa. Oh, what happened? Well done, yeah. Nandun si Jan sa car.
Mom, look!
Oh, where's Daddy?
Picking up Kuya's
Ah! Wala na pala si Jan. Pipikapin niya na si Sak. Okay. I'm going to bake now and cook. Alright, alright. Alright, alright. Wash your hands first.
Okay.
Pumasok na siya. Gusto niya lang mag-aral ng baking. Gusto niya akong tulungan. Ay, mapapatagal tayo nito. Mauubos na yung ating space dito. And then malulobot din tayo. Yung aking saksakan ay nandito. Hilahin ko ito. Hurry up, Baba!
Okay, I washed the
Ay! Okay. Crack the eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah, you don't have to separate.
Where?
You don't have to separate the white and...
Do I just put all of it
Oh,
in?
yeah, yes. And I need a bag. Okay, that's alright. I need 3 or 4, maybe 3. Diba? Kasi nyo, mapapatagal tayo dito. Go, go, go.
And maybe one more.
One more, okay. Malalaki naman yung eggs natin. So, 3 ay, okay na yan, 3 na yan. Okay, that's it. It's alright. Okay, wash your hands. Alright.
That was a perfect cake.
Yeah, okay, wash your hands, please. Thank
Back
you.
again.
Back. Go. Something so...
Expensive, that's really expensive.
Wala daw tong salt. Oh, luto na yung rice. Luto na yung rice ko.
The rice with chicken.
Yeah. I cannot wait to eat. And
Yeah.
then sugar.
How much sugar? That should one, probably one. I don't need
I love you, thank you. Just 4, okay? 4 carrots. Tinawagan ko si Jan kasi no more carrots. So, si Holly ang gagawa ng cake natin. Siya mag-mix niyan.
Because she has to do this.
Yeah, kailangan ko itong gawin
She has
kasi
to take all the skin off.
6:05 na, hala. 6:05 na, wala
Mom,
pa.
it won't be nearly 9.
Hala, late ang dinner natin. Excuse me, Baba. Thank you. Okay. Do that, Baba. Magiging maingay ito. Ito rin, Okay, I think that's enough. Ayan na yung na-mix ni Holly. And ayan na yung nabalatan kong potatoes. Well done, Baba. How's your arms?
Good.
Huh? You said you're a bit sore. Exercise?
You're exercising your arms.
Yeah. Okay, yan na.
Wow, this one's coming out really well.
Yeah. Good job, Holly.
I really love baking with Mum and
Stop. A bit more. Enough? I think that's alright. Late ng dinner. Hala, past 6 na.
Wow, Mom, that's a big crack. I think that's all of it, Mom.
That's good.
The rest is the carpet. Do we have to stir it all together?
All you have to do is just circle motion until you mix it. Yeah, don't be scared. No, slowly. Like this.
Oh, that feels so fast.
Just like this. Look at mommy. Like that.
Like this, Mom?
Yeah. Until combined.
Until it gets all together.
Yeah. Kumutan ko kayo. Ayan, nagkakat na ako ng chicken and yung ating cake nandito na sa oven. And nagpa-fry na ako ng carrots and ayan yung ating patatas. And nag-boil ako ng egg for myself. And etong sugar, later, gagawin ko yan para sa cake. So, diba, nakalimutan ko na kayo. Si Holly nandun na sa kapitbahay. And si John, ba susundin niya si Sak? Hindi sumama si Sak. Doon daw siya matutulog sila Nana. Nandun kasi si Hunter tsaka si Rylan. So, doon siya matutulog. So, bukas, dito yung mga bata. Yung magkapatid din dito sa amin. So, magluto muna ako kasi anong oras na, guys. Ay. Ayan yung oras. Di pa ako tapos mag-cut ng chicken. Diba? Late ng dinner. Luto na yung ating chicken afritada. Ayan, ayan na yung rice. Pakainin ko na sila kasi tingnan nyo. Si John, kailangan niya na matulog soon kasi late na ang ating dinner. Yung cake natin nasa oven pa. Wala si Sak for the first time sa dinner. Nanas.
It's a cut.
What?
Good.
Sorry, just put it on the side. Here.
Thanks, Mom.
Welcome. Malapit na mag-eat. Eat pa kasi ako kakain. The Father, Son, no, the Father, Son, Holy Spirit. Amen.
It has my name in it.
Holly. Baka yung dessert namin bukas na nila mga kain kasi kailangan ko pa yung ilagay sa fridge. Papalamig. Hindi ko pa nagawa yung icing. Kasi late na tayo. Late na ako nag-start mag-vlog, diba? Wala akong plano mag-vlog. Pero, yeah. Okay na kasi may bisita naman tayo bukas. Si Hunter, yung magkapatid. And Rylan. Is the potato soft? Kuya, can you eat vegetables please? Not just chicken? Eat potato and carrots? Yeah, you have to eat carrots. Si Kuya kasi hindi siya ma-veggies. Opposite sila ni Sak. Si Sak mahilig sa vegetables. Hindi ako naglalagay ng peas sa chicken afritada kasi ayaw niya. Pero yung mga kasama niya gusto. So, naglagay ako. Siya na lang mag-adjust. Ngayon, naglagay ako. Usually, hindi ako naglalagay. Alright? Okay, meron ako dyan na beef broth. Yun ang aking unang kakainin. Tapos, itong itlog and kakain ko konting afritada. And maybe rice. We'll see. Hinayin ko muna yung aking pagkain. Itong itlog. Malapit na mag-eat. 30 minutes pa. 30 minutes pa bago kakain. I'm losing my voice, huh? Have you noticed? I don't know. I feel like I'm losing my voice. Good?
Yes.
Why you're not talking? How is it, Kuya?
You got lots of rolls in there,
Yeah.
I'm really hungry.
Kuya, use this one. Use this one. Like, is the carrot soft? Does it taste good? Hindi ko yung tinikman. Si Jana nagtikim kasi hindi ko tinitikman muna. Alas 8 pa kasi ako magtitikim. Kaldo.
Really good.
Sana okay. Hindi ko tayo siya tinikman. Siya ang pinatikim ko. Is it alright, yeah? Because I didn't taste it. Well, that one. Is it good? Silang daw ni daddy niya nagtikim.
Taste what?
That one. Is it good? Because mommy didn't taste it. Yeah. Is it good? You should. Wala, Zizak. Dito ka baba. Dito they can see you. Oh yeah, they can see you.
No, I want to do.
Yeah. You want more soup?
Choice.
Yeah. Okay.
I'll just put a big nut.
Okay.
Just that plate.
I'll take your plate here. Gusto niya ng juice. Sauce. Juice. Sauce. Here you go, yeah. Thank you. Oh. So good? O lumipat ka din? Is the rice still hot, huh?
No.
The rice still hot?
Bomb.
The rice or a bit warm? Ewan ako kasi niluto yung rice eh. I wonder what's up eating.
That's good.
Maybe Nana's cooking chicken adobo. Kasi favorite ng mga bata. Nila hunter ang chicken adobo. Use your fork, kan. Hindi siya gumagamit ng fork. Use your fork. Spoon lang talaga siya pag rice. Hindi siya. Kaya nasanay din yung mga bata na hindi gumamit ng fork. Dahil sa kanya, ini-scoop lang nila. Tingnan mo, may fork si Kuya pero hindi niya ginagamit. Well done, Holly. Good job. Si Holly lang. Like mommy, right, Mama? If you want more rice, let me know, okay? There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it.
Do you know what happened like that? That's this thing.
Oh, yeah, we wish.
He's a lawyer in town law.
He's a lawyer.
That's
Get drink, yeah.
that's
What do you want, hon? Coke, water? You water now, Kuya, huh? Because you've been drinking Coke.
Can you please get me water too, Mom?
Huh? Yeah, no more.
Water.
I drink water all day.
That's good.
I haven't had
Do you have?
only a sip of yours.
No. That's too sweet.
Thanks, Mom. I don't think so you will be able to eat the cake because I have to rest and I have to make the
What's
ice.
that?
I don't think you will be able to eat the cake.
That's right, no tomorrow.
That's right.
With the
That's why it's raining.
Kasi kailangan yung matulog ni John. And hindi siya, ayaw yung kumain ng dessert na patulog na siya. Wow. So, bukas niya na lang kainin. Tapusin ko yun.
have more rice.
Kapit na.
I will have more rice.
More rice?
Some chicken. chicken.
Say it to them tomorrow.
Huh?
Say it to the kids tomorrow.
Yeah. I'm gonna do grocery tomorrow.
Yeah. Can you drop me off at Allendale?
Oh yeah, I'll drop him. Ita-drop off ko pala bukas si Holly kay Auntie Mel kasi shopping
Yeah,
sila.
because I didn't get to go to Mel's house when I was at Adelaide Marcos
Competition.
competition, but the boys did, so I get to do it on Thursday, which is tomorrow.
That's right.
And I'm excited.
Birthday gift yun ni Auntie Mel sa kanila. Yung boys tapos na. So bukas, mag-grocery din ako bukas. Kasi wala na tayo. Kulang-kulang na, wala tayong chocolate nga, yung pang baking ko. And carrots, vegetables, fruits. Yung fruits namin, yung banana. Ha, you're not eating banana. I'm not gonna buy banana. Kailangan kong bumili kasi. Pwede itong banana
Can you
bread.
drop that?
Where are you going here? Doesn't smell. Lumipat siya. Ayaw niya na kumain ng banana. Or lumapit ka para closer ka dun sa apitada.
I want to see. I want to see
Good?
TV and what.
Yeah.
It's alright, Baba. Just finish it. Inubos na ni Kuya yung rice. What do you want, Baba? Okay.
Because I have a lot of vegetables. I'm just getting
For
four.
chicken. Ito yung aking homemade na beef broth. Lagay ko na siya dito. So, ayan. Before 8, initin ko na to para makakain na tayo. And si Kuya, more soup.
I'm coming.
What do you want, Baba?
Some more rice, please.
More rice. Ang benta ng ating afritada. Na-miss to ni Sak. Rice din sa'yo. Diba?
No, we're eating a lot today.
That's good. Kay Kuya din. Kuya. Welcome. Okay, Baba. I'll put soup, okay? Or sauce. Nakakuha na si Kuya ng sauce. Kay Holly naman.
Sauce too.
Okay, Baba.
Thank you, Mom.
Welcome. Nilagay ko na pala dito yung tira dun sa casserole na afritada. Ayan yung tira. Tapos na sila and malapit na akong kumain. 7:54 na. So, 8 o'clock ako kakain. Nag-cut din pala akong papaya. And ito yung eggs and yung aking beef. Yeah, beef broth. So, malapit na. Ilang minuto na lang kakain ako.
Have a little dinner.
Yeah. Poor mommy.
Because she can eat a lot of papaya.
Yes. So, ready na yung food natin doon. And eto pala yung ating cake na pinapalamig. Ayan. Bukas na yan makakain pero tatapusin ko yan mamaya after kong kumain. And meron pa akong kalahating papaya for tomorrow. Yes. 8:02 na. Kumakain na ako kasi time ko nang kumain. Ang sarap. Ang sarap ng papaya. Egg.
You feel a bit hungry and eat some chicken.
Sabaw.
What does that mean?
Beef broth.
Better let my pick up my.
Yung afritada tinatawag ako. Sarap. Kain muna ako, guys. Enjoy ko muna tong food na to. Enjoy ko muna to. Tapos na ako kumain and sobrang busog na ako. Hindi ko na ubos yung egg. Dalawa lang yung nakain natin and meron pang tirang papaya. Kumakain din si Holly habang kumakain tayo. 8:31 na.
I've been feeling so small.
Because I think I do.